This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
Those are our stairs to go right here. I think we've seen this before. This is down into the bilge, the wet bilge. And then the pipes came in through here, came over here, and now we have to cut them out and get these cold plates out.
Okay, we're getting this hose, copper hose, one with the blue tape on it, to come through. So we got it this far. It has to go through that little tiny hole and then up into there.
Didn't I do any of this? Yeah. So we took the old plates out of here. They were rather thick. They're about 3 or 4 inches. And we're going to put new plates in. And we pulled the wires, wires and the tubes up through here. That was not fun. And they're a little bit short. Plus, when they put this together, they put the inlets on the wrong side. They put them on the top. These little slants here are supposed to be on the bottom to match the box. So luckily these are thin enough, or I say slim enough, that I can put them upside down without much effect, without much harm to it. So we'll just, instead of the delay of having them redo it the right way, we'll just put it upside down. And right now I'm trying to drill through stainless steel. Not fun.
Okay, so here is the cold plates that we had to do, put upside down, because they put the tubing down here, so it runs over here with the sensor there and another sensor behind the plate, and that's our freezer. We still have to figure out how to get shelves up in here. Here is the cold plate for the fridge. We put the shelves in.
Okay, well, I lost my voice, but we're going to show you as we come in. We're doing the second unit. This one's a freezer unit. It's going to be pushed back, way back. Right now we're wiring it, getting the wires in. We got some plumbing going at the same time, and then we'll connect up the hard lines, put it back together, push this back, and screw it in. In order to get back into this one, I'm going to have to take the unit that goes right here, which is a refrigerator. I'm going to have to take that out to get to these 2 screws. But that's okay. It's not that hard. Alright, so we've got everything connected out here. Got water. Got the tubing, gas tubing, all the electrical. And we're gonna go try it. Try it before we buy it. pick it up. Alright, so this freezer is working. I did a little test on it. Now I'm going to put the refrigerator in. Not a lot of space in here. Hopefully that's enough. Wait a minute. Yeah, we got enough. Move back this way. You're gonna have space in here because that's where the air intake is. So the first thing I'm gonna do is connect the water up. 30 amp fuse. Put power in now. Alright, now we're going to wire up the power to the water pump. And, get all the water hitched up. Like we're going down the home stretch here. Once you do the water pump, we'll connect the gas lines up. Pull that through, put the connectors on it. prepping the pump that comes with the Seafrost. It's like a 2 amp, 0.85 amp pump. And this is going to be a nightmare with these in the future when they start rusting out or whatever. But I had to go from the old water system is still in there, pipes or the hoses. And I really didn't want to run new hoses, so I can use the other ones. But I have to go from a 3/4 down to a half. And then I needed a bend in here. This will go further back. And then it comes out at 3/8. So I had to go 3/8 to half, because half is what came out of the old pump and went into the old refrigerator system. So now, sitting inside, I did all the prep work. Now I got to go down in the engine room and see if I can install this into the existing system. Right in this spot right here, I took out this march pump. And we'll put it in our spares for that one right there, which is for the air conditioner. That's 110. And here's what we put in its place. A little comparison. And then we run the wires to it. Oh, we get the girl back again this weekend. So.
She got her.
For a while.
She's happy.
Yeah.
We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.